Good. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Good morning. Yes, it is. Good morning, YouTube, Facebook, Courtney Truman Steamers. Over here in Liburn, Georgia, this job was a referral. Well, actually a referral, but she found me on Nextdoor. So that's to show you guys what we are going to be doing today. We have a job on our hands today. First, we're going to be doing all the hardwood floors. You can see right here. This is just basically dirt where the dogs just come in and out, and just basically just got some very, very dirty hardwood floors. All right, so we're going to be doing all the hardwood floors in the kitchen. We're going to also, she just added these 4 chairs. So we're going to also add these 4 chairs to the job. The carpets, you can see the carpets, 2 rooms of carpets, a lot of just again dirt and stains from dogs. Then also I'm going to do this hardwood foyer area. Again, you can see a lot of dirt from the dogs. So we're about to start setting up on this job. We got a lot of equipment to bring in. Also this room. And this very soiled sofa right here. So we're just going to go through this, showing you guys what we got going today, and then also to show the process of us cleaning. We're going to actually hand dip this chair. I'm going to use a Haitian cotton shampoo on it, and to see how good we can get that out. You can just see the carpets. All right, so this is the first job of the day. Only got 2 today. This job is probably going to take us about 4 hours, because while one of us is doing the hardwoods, the other one will be doing the sofa and then the carpets. Okay. And Miss Wendy, you said you found me on Nextdoor, right?
Pardon?
Nextdoor? Someone recommended me?
No, I found you on Facebook.
On Facebook, okay.
It was actually a Facebook ad that I saw.
Okay, awesome. So it was Facebook, awesome.
It was Facebook.
All right, well, we'll go ahead and get started.
No, but you do an awesome job, and I will post about you on Nextdoor.
Well, thank you. I greatly appreciate that. All right, guys, so show you what we got going today. So what we're going to do, Kevin, got the Maxim. I'm actually going to offer her some protection once we're done. Got the Haitian cotton right there. The Dirt Dragon. Sillador. Got a lot of stuff to bring in. We're going to bring in the spotter kit. Beautiful day today, guys. It's a beautiful day. All right, guys, YouTube, Facebook, stay tuned. Because we have a lot of equipment to bring in. We're going to bring in this and this. I'm going to bring in the CRB. I'm going to need, huh? Yeah, Maxim kit. I like that little kit they give you. I'm going to use this for that chair, because we're going to dry clean it. Alrighty. And all the rest of that stuff is inside. Alright, guys, we're going ahead and get started. Stay tuned, and we're about to get to work. Alright, guys, so what we're doing now, just scrubbing this area. This is the most trouble area Miss Wendy was concerned about. And look at that, Miss Wendy.
Look at all the mud. I want to get my phone charger down. Oh my God, look at all the mud. Look at all the
Yes, ma'am.
Told you it was nasty.
Yes, you did.
I knew it was nasty.
Well, Carol, you accepted and conquered.
All right, guys. So what we're doing, Kevin is just basically treated the floors. You can just see all this gunk, dirt, mud, whatever you want to call it. How it just basically separating from the hardwood floors. And now what I'm going to do, you just see all that. Let's focus on the floors. Got some air movers on the carpets. The customer added protection. Huh? I know one thing we got to get is a microfiber mop. I see it. Okay, I got you. Yeah.
See our animal?
Nah. Hey guys, so we just got through cleaning most of these floors. You can see how much better, but we want to go over one more time. But let's show you something. Kevin, do me a favor. Grab this. I'm going to pour it down the toilet. Grab that dirty. I want to show you how much dirt we got off these floors. All right, so let's go to the bathroom and pour this down the toilet. And also we're going to clean this area right here too. So Kevin's going to pour this right down the toilet. And watch how much dirt.
It is dirty.
It is dirty.
Beyond dirty.
Beyond dirty. Awesome. Alright guys, this is the last part of the job. We are done with all the cleaning. Just put the protection down on the carpets. Also just put the refinisher down on the foyer. And I'm going to go ahead and do this last little area right here. Okay, we got the other bottle.
When I was out walking my dog this morning, I walked right by it and there's still no cover on it. Were any comments put on that? But nothing from somebody who would, so there's no comments from somebody that said that they completed the work? Okay, well, that drives with what I saw.
Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put 2 coats on this kitchen area.
Required to update tickets when they complete the work.
Alright guys, so we'll go ahead and finish up here. Courtney, Kevin, Truman Steamers. And we will see you in the next one.